Inventory problems don't start with bad people. They start with manual work. When inventory is tracked by spreadsheets, emails, or delayed updates, mistakes are guaranteed. Stock numbers don't match reality. Teams lose trust in the data, and every decision turns into a guess. That's where automated inventory management makes a difference. Hi, I'm Doron Farber from the Farber Consulting Group Inc. For many years, we've helped businesses replace manual inventory processes with systems that reflect how inventory actually moves through daily operations. Automated inventory management removes the need for constant checking, updating, and correcting. Instead of people updating inventory after the fact, the system updates inventory automatically as work happens. Most businesses struggle with the same inventory issues. Stock updates done manually, delays between physical movement and system records, inventory tracked in multiple files, frequent adjustments to fix errors, decisions based on outdated numbers. When inventory depends on people remembering to update systems, accuracy breaks down. Automated inventory management solves this by updating inventory in real time. When items are received, moved, sold, or used, the system records it automatically. Everyone sees the same numbers at the same time. With automated inventory management, businesses can always know what stock is available, reduce overstock, and avoid stockouts, eliminate manual data entry, improve purchasing and planning, keep inventory accurate across locations. Spend less time fixing inventory errors. The real value comes from how the system is designed. Automation only works when it follows real workflows. If inventory moves one way in real life but another way in the system, people will work around it. That's why inventory automation must match reality, not assumptions. When inventory data is accurate, teams work faster, planning becomes easier, and inventory stops being a constant source of stress. If inventory issues are slowing down your business, the problem usually isn't effort. It's the lack of automation behind the scenes. Automated inventory management brings control, accuracy, and confidence back to inventory operations. Automation can be combined with natural language data access. This allows users to check inventory information by simply typing what they need in plain English. No reports, no technical steps, just a direct answer from the system. For example, users can ask, which items are low in stock right now? How much inventory was used last month? What products are overstocked? Automation works best when inventory data is easy to access. By combining automated inventory management with simple data access, teams get faster answers without extra work or manual reports. If you want to improve how your inventory is tracked and controlled, visit us at dfarber.com or call us at 732-536-4765. And subscribe for more practical insights on business systems and inventory management.